So day 6 check-in on the red Mizuna, and you can start seeing the different colours of these ones. You'll start recognising the difference. Like these ones are like a little purpley. This will go like a yellowy purpley, and they're looking really healthy. So now I'm just going to start watering these. You can do one side in the morning, one side in the evening. But I'm just doing all the way around like that, and I'm just going to do that, keep an eye on them, depending how warm it is in the house and how the soil's feeling and how they're growing. So that's it really for day 6, and every day now you just need to check in morning and evening, checking that soil, giving them a little bit of water and a bit of nurturing, and watch them grow.